Saang pahina ka That's crazy, right? So, do you agree? I know it. Kasi ka ba muna magbabasa?
Okay. Napulot ko siya. Moving forward stage. At least trying now. Family, after my parents died, and I'm now living alone. Thank you, COJ, for keeping me going. Thank you so much, and we're here for you.
Sige, sunod ako. Sabi niya, nasa page 1 ko, char. Ano pa kasama? I came to this concert as a way of healing because I'm currently mentally unstable and Cup of Joe became my strength during these silent battles. Thank you so much. Whoever you are, always remember na nandito kami at yung music namin para sa'yo. Ako naman, ito medyo hard. From Jessica. Ayun, Jessica.